What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sadie's Lab. And we got a new science kit. It's a science magic kit. So we're going to do the unboxing today. And make sure to watch our other video to see our first experiment from this kit. So let's start. Focus on this one. Okay. Here's an experiment guide. And okay, you won't believe this. It's a real life magic wand. Oh. And here's 3 little cups and 3 little coins. There are 3 of them. I can close here. And here are these cloth gloves. And here are 1, 2, 3 more cups. And okay, I'm gonna need to take this out. And this little measuring cup. And some of this hydroponics and on the bottom it's just in another language. And here's some instant snow. And here's some more. I'm guessing some more like material things. A pipette. A medium scoop and a big scoop, I think. And here's red cabbage powder. And some baking soda. And citric acid. And one more thing. And a small scoop. Oh, and I have a favorite stuffed animal. His Mickey Mouse, and he's hiding somewhere in the room. Can you find him for me? What? He's behind me? Wait, right here. There he is! Okay, so that's the end of the unboxing. And make sure to watch our next video where we will do an experiment. Bye!